Well, hello everyone. Today we're back for a brand new video where we'll be looking at how to install the All the Mons mod pack, which is a combination of the All the Mons 10 mod pack and Cobblemon. So, in this particular video, we're going to explore how you can obtain the client version for your Minecraft game, as well as the server version, enabling you to play with all your friends. To begin, I'd like to invite you to navigate to the description section, where I will provide you with the precise link for the mod pack on CurseForge. You'll click on Forge, then install, and it will open the CurseForge software. If you don't have the CurseForge software, the platform will suggest you download it, and I really encourage you to go that route. So once you have CurseForge and you've clicked install, you'll arrive here. In my case, I've already installed the client version, so I don't have the option to install it, but for you, it will say install. Once you've installed it, you just need to click on play. So you'll see a small window pop up, the CurseForge game dashboard. We'll just click on the little minus sign. We don't need it, but don't close it. For the client side, that's now complete. Now, we're going to take a look at the server side. So for the server side, we'll head over to OuiPanel, which is the management panel used to manage your Minecraft server in this particular case. We're going to go into the version modpack category.
Modpack Manager. After that, we're simply going to proceed to the specific category where we can verify and validate.
And so, we're looking at the All the Mons modpack. To install it, it's very simple. Just click Install or Installer if you're in French.
We are confirming it.
Our server is now undergoing installation. We'll wait for all files to be properly installed. Once your server has finished installing, it's done. All that's left is to start the server. So the server startup process can take quite a while. Here we're talking about a mod pack with over 300 mods, so it's normal for it to take time. You have a small indicator that lets you know if your server has started or not. For example, here we have two crossed arrows. That means the server is currently starting up, and as soon as we have a green dot, that will mean the server is ready. And so there it is, the little green indicator telling us our server is successfully installed. There are still a few elements showing up in the console, but the server is already functional.
Before going further, I invite you to look at the resource statistics on my server.
Currently, the server is empty, no one has connected to it, and we're already using about 7 GB of RAM. So pay attention to the plan you choose if you want to subscribe to an offer with us or any other host. It's the same everywhere. By default, this mod pack consumes a lot of resources. Now to connect, it's very simple. We'll retrieve our IP address. Once it's copied, we open up Minecraft, then we go into the multiplayer category, we'll add a new server, and the server name, the actual name for the server, doesn't really matter. We'll press Ctrl V to paste in the IP address, and then we click done.
Here we have our server, and then we just click on play.
And so here we are, we've arrived on our server. You can see there are already Pokemon scattered all over the place, so I hope this video was useful to you, and I'll see you soon for new videos. Alright, bye everyone.